What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to transfer cryptocurrency from SafePal to Binance. Whether you're looking to trade or simply move your assets, this step-by-step approach will help you navigate the process safely and efficiently. Ensure you have a verified Binance account. If not, follow the registration process on the Binance website. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on your account for added security. This can typically be done in the security settings. Open your SafePal app on your mobile device. Ensure that your SafePal wallet is unlocked and accessible. Navigate to the Assets tab in SafePal. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer to Binance. Make sure to check the supported assets on Binance for compatibility. Now let's open the Binance app. Log into your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section and select Spot. Find the cryptocurrency you are transferring and click on Deposit. Copy the deposit address provided. Double check to ensure it corresponds with the correct cryptocurrency. Return to your SafePal app. Select the cryptocurrency you are transferring and click on Send. Paste the Binance deposit address in the recipient field. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Ensure you check account for any transaction fees. Confirm the transaction by tapping Send. You may need to enter your PIN or use 2FA to authorize the transfer. And there, congratulations, you have successfully transferred cryptocurrency from SafePal to Binance. Always keep track of transaction fees and ensure you are sending the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any loss. Once your assets are in Binance, you can start trading and exploring other features on the platform. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.